hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you do you use two SIM card in your smartphone and wonder how you can keep both SIM active at the same time even when you are already on a call. In this video I will explain the dual SIM always on feature, how to enable it and how it works with Jio, Airtel, Vodafone and BSNL. Dual SIM always on is a setting available in most of Android phones that allows both SIM card to remain active at the same time. Normally, when you are talking on SIM 1 calls, SIM 2 will show as unreachable, but with this feature, the phone uses call forwarding to make sure you don't miss any important call. To enable this feature guys, you need to open your phone settings like this, go to connection and go to SIM card manager and go to more SIM card setting like this, and here you can get the option dual SIM always on. So just open it and enable it. Okay, tap on next and enable it. Once enabled, the phone automatically set up call forwarding between both SIM. That means if SIM 1 is busy, the call is forwarded to SIM 2 and vice versa. Okay, to test it, make a call from one SIM, then from another phone try calling your second SIM. If the feature is working, the call should still come through instead of showing unreachable or switched off. So this is a very nice and amazing feature, especially for dual SIM card user. How it work with different operator if you are using Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. For Jio user guys, only it work for only active users. Jio support call forwarding. Dual SIM always on usually work very fine on Jio. For Airtel guys, smooth experience forwarding works reliable. For Vodafone user guys, this feature is work in most cases, but sometime network issue can affect forwarding. Okay, so if you are using BSNL, so in BSNL users are inconsistent, sometime forwarding does not activate properly. Okay, for Jio and Airtel it work very fine. Okay, this feature depend on your network provider. Call forwarding charges may also apply depending on your SIM plan, but both SIMs must have active internet coverage while using this feature. Okay, you need to remember these guys. Some operator may charge for call forwarding feature. Okay, you need to check your active mobile plan. So that's it, everything you need to know about dual SIM always on, how to enable it, test it and how it behave with Jio, Airtel, Vodafone and BSNL. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.